to make a simple presentation so fast and using the flow animation. So let's start with giving this slide a color. So I'm going to include strawberries. You can type it here and you can add your strawberries here, and you can remove the background of it. And if you don't have the Canva Pro, you can see my previous video on how to remove the background without the Canva Pro. And we are gonna add strawberry here, move it up, make it a slightly bigger, and just center it and add any effect you want. And what we're gonna do is move to the second page and add a new color. So I'm going with mango next. So type in mango and find another picture, make it small if you want, and rename it as mango. So we'll do another slide. So I'll go with guava this time. So search for guava, and just like that, copy the name and change the name to guava. And for the finishing touches, you can add the animation by clicking here and choose the flow one. Make sure the time duration is anywhere between 1 to 2 seconds and apply between all pages, and you got yourself a presentation. Follow me for more tips.